Want to set a custom ringtone for a specific contact on your iPhone? Here's how to do it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Setting a personalized ringtone lets you know exactly who's calling or texting without looking at your screen. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Find and tap the contact you want to customize. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Ringtone. Choose the ringtone you want to hear when this person calls you. Tap the checkmark to save. If you want a custom sound for messages too, tap Text Tone. Select a tone and tap the checkmark to save. Tap Done to save the contact settings. You can repeat these steps for as many contacts as you like. Custom ringtones work only for calls and texts from saved contacts. You can also use custom ringtones made from your favorite songs if they're already added to your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you set a ringtone for specific contacts on iPhone in 2026. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.